Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. As you can see, I have lots of ingredients here today because I'm going to prepare butter chicken today. So to prepare this recipe, the two main ingredients, that is chicken. This is 750 grams of chicken that I have taken with bones, 50 gram of butter. You can increase the amount of butter also if you want it to be more buttery flavor. This is 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, red chili powder I have kept it, if you can see, a little bit on the spoon and a little bit down on the plate, because the one that I have kept on the spoon, I'm going to marinate the chicken with that, and the one that is on the plate, that I'm going to add to the masala. So this is near about total 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, and half tablespoon of cumin powder. Here friends, I have taken cumin seed. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 inch of ginger. This is near about 18 garlic cloves. This is 3 red green chilies which some have turned orange. So 3 green chilies. If you want your butter chicken to be little spicy, you can increase the amount of the green chili, but generally we don't make butter chicken very spicy. So I have taken only 3 green chilies and just broke them into half. Here I have taken near about 20 cashew nuts, and I have opened them half. I have broke them into half. This is 7 tomatoes I have taken, medium sized tomatoes, and I have just cut them into big pieces. This is garam masala powder. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is chicken tandoori powder. This is a ready-made chicken tandoori powder that I have bought from the market. You easily get this available, so I'm going to use half a teaspoon of chicken tandoori powder. Salt as per our taste. This is kasuri methi I'm going to use, dried kasuri methi leaves. This is near about 1 tablespoon, and oil for cooking. So now let's get started. First we will marinate this chicken friends. So I will add the curd, that is the yogurt, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is the tandoori chicken powder. I am not going to add salt now friends, as I am going to marinate this and keep it aside for near about 15 minutes. If I add salt, it will start leaving water, so the marination will be very liquidy. Now we will keep this chicken aside so that it gets marinated for near about 15 minutes. Now let's move to the spices. So now friends, I have heated this pan and I will add little butter. Let the butter melt. In this butter, I'm going to add the cumin seeds, garlic cloves, and the ginger pieces. I will fry this with butter over a medium flame friends. let the garlic cloves change its color a little bit. Now friends, as you can see, our garlic has become little golden in color. So I'm going to add the green chilies now and the cashew nuts and fry it for a minute. After frying the cashew nuts and the green chilies for 1 minute, I will add the tomatoes now. After adding the tomatoes, I will add little salt so that our tomatoes get a little bit cooked. So I will cook the tomatoes in this butter for some time till it gets soft. Now friends, this tomato mixture is ready. Now we will put off the flame and put it in the grinding jar and let it cool down for some time, then we'll grind it. Now friends, we are going to fry this chicken. So remember, I told you we have not added salt in the chicken. So now we will add the salt and we will mix it. Now we'll take a pan, we will add little butter and a little bit of refined oil as we are going to fry the chicken now. So we will slowly put the chicken into the pan, chicken pieces. We'll cook this for near about 8 to 10 minutes over medium flame. Meanwhile, we will turn this also. Do not cover this as the chicken will start leaving a lot of water. So please do not cover. We are going to fry it. So now friends, our chicken pieces are fried. So we will take this out from the oil. So friends, here I have fried the chicken and I have taken it out in a bowl. And also I have grinded the paste that we made, the tomato one. Now I will make the gravy. To make the gravy, I will first add butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and in this butter I am going to add the spices, we'll mix it for some time. Over a low flame friends, or else the spices will get burnt. And now I will add the gravy paste that I have made. After adding the paste, I will cook this and add little salt friends, as we have already added the salt in the tomato and the chicken, so please add little salt. Mix the gravy and cook for a minute. Once the gravy starts boiling, as you can see bubbles type thing coming out, we will add water. Do not add too much of water friends, as in butter chicken we do not put so much of water. So now let this boil. Increase the flame and let the water boil. As you can see, the gravy started boiling. We will now add the chicken pieces to the gravy slowly. After adding the chicken, we'll mix it. We'll close the lid and let it get cooked for 4 to 5 minutes over high flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, we'll open the lid. And now we will add the garam masala. We'll add the fresh cream. And friends, the kasuri methi, we'll rub it in our palms. Just little bit heat it in the pan and then you can rub it and make it a powder like this. Mix it. Our butter chicken is ready. So here is our yummy butter chicken ready. Garnish it with little butter. Here I have added little butter and fresh cream. Very yummy recipe, friends, and very easy to prepare at home without any microwave or oven. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye. You can also garnish it with coriander leaves.